If you've ever messed up rice or burned cookies, this is your redemption arc. Become the kind of cook that people brag about with this book in your kitchen. Watch funny cooking fails every week. They're so relatable, you'll feel better about your own kitchen mishaps. And then learn how to actually cook delicious meals from scratch with our peaceful step-by-step cooking clips. This book is on every beginner cook's wish list, because it's the secret to becoming the cook everyone brags about. Here's why. First, you'll save money. Stop wasting money on takeout, and learn how to cook delicious meals from scratch for a fraction of the cost. It's the smart way to eat well without breaking the bank. Second, you'll boost your confidence. Go from kitchen klutz to cook with confidence. Our easy 2-kilo recipes and techniques will have you feeling like a pro in no time. Impress your friends and family with your newfound skills, and never feel embarrassed about your cooking again. Third, you'll impress your guests. Become the host everyone wants to be invited to. Impress your guests with your amazing cooking skills, and they'll be begging you for the secret to your success. Tell them it's this book. This is the book that you've been waiting for. It's time to stop settling for mediocre meals and start cooking like a pro. With our step-by-step instructions and mouth-watering recipes, you'll be on your way to creating unforgettable culinary experiences in no time. So what are you waiting for? Become the cook everyone brags about. Click the link in bio or description below and tap before your next meal. This is more than a cookbook. It's your ticket to becoming the cook everyone brags about. So click the link in bio or description below and tap before your next meal. And get ready to unlock a world of culinary possibilities. You've got this. We believe in you. Now let's get cooking.